Hello, welcome to my tutorials of me trying to teach myself how to use CakePHP. In this first video I'm going to cover how to download CakePHP and also how to connect it to the database and just get it initially set up. So I'm at cakephp.org, and then what you want to do is download the latest version of CakePHP, and then once you have that, you can drop it into your I have a folder called Cake. I just dropped all the files in here previously. This is my MAMP folder. Sometimes you might use LAMP, whatever is your preference, I don't know. So anyways, here it is in here, and then if you go to the front end here, I'm going to go to localhost / cake folder. And here it is, the page that you get once you first set it up. You'll notice that it has a couple of errors here. I'm going to show you how to do these two and then connect it to the database. In the back end, or in MAMP, I have created a database called Cake. There's nothing in it. It's just create database Cake. And this is going to be where our posts live. I'm going to be like stumbling my way through setting up a blog with posts. So now I'm going to go to Sublime. Let's open this up in Sublime. Okay. Super not ready to do this tutorial. Okay, so in the app folder, pretty much everything you're going to be doing is in the app folder. To set up what are the first two errors? A security salt and a security cipherseed. It tells you, who cares what that says, I don't understand that. But basically how to do that is you go to config and core.php, and then you scroll down to, I think, line 225-ish, and then, yeah, 225 is the salt and the cipherseed. And this is what Cake gives you as an automatic thing for their setup, like just the basic, to give you an idea. Basically all you have to do is put in random junk in here like this. Make sure there's no special characters, just letters and numbers, uppercase, lowercase, whatever you want. And then for this one here, the cipherseed, you want to just do numbers, and then you do that. Save it, and if you refresh it, there, those are fixed. I need to create the database.php file. It tells you where to find this and then how to connect to it. So basically it's in config database.php.default, and then what you want to do is just rename it and kill the .default. Come to the bottom, there's two test connectors. I don't know why this is ever there, so who cares. What you want to update is default and add in your login, your password, and the database. And database that we set up is just called Cake. So, and for MAMP, it's the automatic login and password is root. I'm not sure what it is for LAMP. I think it's just blank and then root. So root for the login, root for the password, and Cake for the database. And then if you go to the front, check out that page. This should be green now. And there you go. Cake is connected to a database, and that is how you get yourself connected initially.